Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Inside of our Fly Racing Helmet Garage, we have one of the most highly anticipated premium helmet releases ever. This is the all-new Alpinestars SuperTech R10 black carbon glossy matte finish. Look at this thing. This is dead sexy. This particular one retails for $999.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. It is going to ship with the street spoiler. If you want the race spoiler, that's sold additional. We do not have pricing on that at this time. It includes both a clear shield as well as the dark smoke that I installed for effect in this video. It's going to include a pin lock insert as well as race tear-offs. Dead sexy in this carbon. I've ridden in the helmet. It is absolutely amazing. More to come from Alpinestars.